Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a colorful, brilliantly cooked, delicious Chinese stir-fry chicken noodle. Let's get started. Okay, let's have a look at what we got here. We got a pack of lovely, fresh vegetable, which I purchased from the supermarket. We got 100-gram chicken thigh, and we have a pack of lovely noodles. We are going to slice up the chicken thigh first. We don't want them to be too big chunk of meat. Instead of that, we want to slice up the chicken thigh into 0.5 centimeter by 1 centimeter strips. It is good size to let all the flavors get into easily, and also we can cook them in a reasonable short of time. A drizzle of soy sauce to give the chicken extra taste. Mix them well, like so. A good teaspoon of tomato starch gets in. It helps the chicken hold up all the flavors during the cooking. Okay, there's another secret for the chicken. These strips need to be pre-cooked separately. 1 teaspoon of oil gets in and warm up. The temperature doesn't need to be very hot. You want to gentle warm up oil to cook with chicken, so they won't get burnt or gone hard. Gentle stirring. Once the chicken color changes to white, get them out of the wok. Okay, let's have a look at the noodles. And I'm going to show you how to cook these noodles in a way you've never seen before. Boiling water, add a pinch of salt, a pack of noodle gets in. Why we are boiling noodle now? It's all about to shorten the noodle cooking time in the wok. We want them cooked only halfway, where the noodles are no longer rigid, but we can still stir fry them. We certainly don't want them to be overcooked. We want them to retain their tension, still feel compressed and very elastic. Bear this in mind, you don't want to cook them even 10 seconds longer than they need to. Like that. Now drop them in the well-cold water to let them cooling down very fast. Look at that. They're bouncing like springs. A drizzle of olive oil gets in to stop the noodles sticking together. These noodles are still well compressed. Once they get into the wok, they will be ready to suck in, absorb all the goodness into them. Now let's talk about the vegetables. Stir fry is such a wonderful technique when cooked with fresh vegetables. It is the way when you cook vegetables, you want the vegetables to retain the wonderful rich color, pure freshness, and tasty juicy inside. But you also want them outside to be cooked well as well, to get rid of the raw smell and the taste. That is why we want to use the hot pan, hot oil, and cook them in a very short time. 1 tablespoon oil in. While we are waiting for the temperature to get smoking hot, slice up a spring onion and a couple of garlics. We want them in the oil to let the oil to have some Oriental flavors. Hot enough now. Vegetables in. Gentle stir. And flip like this. Okay, it is really important part of the recipe now. We want to watch the vegetable very closely. We want to smell them, we want to hear them, and we want to know how well they have been cooked. As soon as the raw smell fades away, seasoning no longer as before, our vegetables are ready for union with others. Noodles get in. Chicken get in. A good teaspoon of soy sauce. Walk it, stir it, split it, mix it, to let the noodles suck in all the goodness, juicy freshness, absorb them, but still well shaped. One minute. All done. Have a look at this, my friends. The well-cooked noodle with wonderful colored vegetables, absorbed with rich chicken flavor, make this chow mein simply the best.